Hello and welcome again. So in this session, we will see how to check errors and how we can validate those errors in our Excel sheet. Like in our previous sessions, we have seen lots of functions like how we can make a list, how we can validate some list, okay, like creating source and all these things, validating whole numbers, decimal number, date and time, even text and number values, and even the text length. But whenever you are trying to enter, as it is validated, now as said that I am trying to write my name and it will not allow me. So it is creating some errors here. Same case if I want to try some, let's say 89 numbers, it's creating some values here, some errors here. So everywhere, whenever you make some wrong entries, okay, anywhere you try to write something different which is not validated, it will show you this error message. So how we can get rid of this error message? How we can make this error message as an information message? Okay, it will be informative for us instead of just showing a simple value. Okay, so how we can do this? For example, starting with this one. Now I know that it is 5 to 50, but what if it is not written? What if it is not written? Then what will happen? Then people will keep on trying, trial and test, trial and test. So instead of this one, you can select the area where you have to apply the same validation. So first of all, as we have already done, we have applied a data validation that this area will contain only 5 to 50. But then it is creating error. So we can go to error alert and we can type a message. Maybe you can type error or you can say entry or, okay, let's say error. Okay, let it be error only. Okay, error message. So I want to show that what will the heading of the message. So this error message means the heading that it will display on that message. Here I will make the entry. I say data except between 5 to 50 only. It will accept the value accepted only between 5 to 50 only. Now we can make it okay. Now if suppose I want to try some mistake here, if I try 3, it will show me this error message data accepted between 5 to 50 only. Now you know that what we are supposed to enter. You will never make wrong entries. So whenever you make any wrong entries, automatically Excel will warn you that we will accept only 5 to 50. So no need of heading also. So it will be very easy for you and for other users also to check at what they are supposed to make entries. Okay. Same case here also you can see I am trying to write some numbers but showing me message. So what we can do, we can select the area, go to the data validation. You can choose error, but even you can select the area. You can select this. You can say entry message. Let's say I will write here entry message. Okay, entry. Sorry, message. I will select entry message, and in this entry message I will select enter, or you can say accept only text. Accept only text, not number. Okay, if I write like this, that accept only text, make it okay. And now you can, the moment you move your mouse, so you can select here, go to data validation, not the error, sorry, it's not the error. Okay, I will go to input here, input message, and it says accept only text. So when you click your mouse, it will say accept only text. And even when you enter something, numbers, it will show a message accept only text. So this way you can easily rectify your errors and you can see what you are supposed to enter, whether it is numerical values, number value, a fixed length or something else, date, anywhere you can use your text and you can say this error and input message alert. One more thing here, if you can see, I am writing sum equal to random number. Okay, example 0 to 100, for example. Now I selected this number and we have used it. Copy, okay, and replace the value. Now here lots of numbers are there. I want to check that the number in this area I want to allow only the number more than 20. I just want to allow the number more than 20. or I do not want to allow the number more than 80. So it can be anything. Let's say I do not want to allow the number more than 20. So we can go to data validation. First of all, you have to apply validation that I want to enter whole number. Okay, and between, not between, or yes, you can say between 20 to 100. Minimum 20, maximum should be 100 only. These are the only numbers should be allowed. So here, if I want to enter 67, it says okay, fine. But if I want to enter 11, it will say no, because it's validated. So if suppose you have already entered, now if it will not allow me 12, now it will not allow. But what will happen if you have already entered those numbers? Okay, less than something like it, you can see 0 0 and so many values are there. So we can select the area again, and we can check it with this option, circle invalid data. It will just circle all the numbers which is less than 20, and you can easily figure out those things that where you have committed your errors. Okay, so this way all types of errors can be also validated, whether it's a number error, circle error, entry error, what kind of errors, everything can be validated by you, right? So I hope you like this session. See you again for some more interesting topic. Till then, thank you and take care.